is Ivy Grace Gakang Bahaw, and today I am going to discuss to you the different common laboratory procedures. First thing, as a medical technology student, it is quite essential for me to go with the right kind of lab equipment. Before doing any kind of experiment, I should have the knowledge of what I am doing because without this knowledge, it can be a bit dangerous to do the test. In order for me to have an accurate result, I must know first the proper equipment to be used. So what are you waiting for? Let's start!
First is cleansing of apparatus. All apparatus must be washed with water and detergent with the aid of a brush. After thorough rinsing, they should be stored upside down and allowed to drain until completely dry. Next is the recording of data. All data must be recorded first on a small notebook, then data should be organized and entered on the appropriate spaces in the manual. Do not use the manual as scratch paper. The third procedure is measuring of volumes. Hold the graduated cylinder so that the lower meniscus of the liquid is at eye level to avoid errors due to parallax. To determine the volume of the liquid being measured, take the reading which corresponds to the bottom of the meniscus for colorless liquids and to the top of the meniscus for dark-colored liquids. Fourth is preparing a filter paper for filtration. Filtration is done to separate a solid from a liquid. Fold the paper. Fit the paper into a funnel and wet it with water. Pour the liquid from the mixture into the funnel slowly and carefully. The liquid level of the funnel should not come to within 1 cm from the top of the filter paper. Fifth is detecting the odors of gases. Hold the test tube evolving the gas about 20 cm away from your nose. Waft the gases closer to your nose so that you can detect the odor without irritating your nose. The sixth procedure is transferring solid chemicals. From the stock bottle, use a clean spatula. Pour the granulated solid into a crisp piece of paper into the test tube. Large quantities of solids can be transferred by shaking the original container to loosen its contents before opening the cap. Tilt the bottle and rotate back and forth without shaking as you pour out its contents. Chemicals used in general chemistry laboratory can also be in liquid state. To prevent contamination, never set the stopper of the liquid container directly on the bench. Do not return unused liquid reagents into the reagent bottle. When taking liquids, do not put a pipette inside the reagent bottle. Instead, put the approximate amount needed in the beaker and then measure the amount needed. When pouring liquid into a largemouth container, use a glass stirring rod to avoid splattering.